Hey guys, good afternoon. Hope you're well. Today we're making some hot, fresh Gilbaka curry. So we're gonna start off by sauteing the green seasoning. We're gonna let that saute up, cook up a little.
And here we have curry powder, jeera, garam masala, and turmeric.
Yeah.
So this is curry powder, jeera. No, this is curry powder, jeera, masala, and turmeric. So I'll put some water in here and make a batter.
Hope you guys are having an awesome day. Today is Sunday. We're making lunch. Sunday lunch, Monday lunch. If any leftover, then we'll have it on Tuesday. Okay, so we put some water. We made a batter with the garam, with the masala, jeera, curry powder, and turmeric. So let that cook up a little bit, and then we'll add the other ingredients. Alright, so we'll add some herbery. There you go.
We got trick pepper. We're going to put in a pepper up last. Big pepper.
Yeah. Some scallions.
We also
onion.
have pepper here.
More
This
pepper.
is one whole habanero pepper.
Yeah. Celery, tomatoes, some broadleaf thyme, which are homegrown, and we just picked off a couple leaves.
I'll chip up the thyme first.
So guys, leave a comment in the comment section about what curry powder most of you use to make your curry fish, your curry shrimp, curry chicken, your curry duck, your curry anything. Let us know your curry powder of choice.
I want it to burn a little bit. Let it burn up a little bit here. You can show them how it's burning at the bottom.
Yeah.
The kitchen. So you want the curry to burn up a little bit.
When it burns, it's done.
Yeah. Let it lose the flavor up in there. There's a lot of seasoning in here. It smells amazing. It smells really, really good. Look at it, guys. And yeah, it will get to the bottom here, and that's fine. As you can see over here, that's okay. That's what you want. I'll add some water in a few minutes. So I have some water here. I'm gonna add that water in a couple minutes more. I want it to cook really good.
You want it to bunjay,
Yeah,
huh?
very really good. Or soft, eh? I start smelling really, really good here. And then again, you don't want to burn it up too much. So I'll put in my water.
Cook that up.
You can see how nice it looked there. Look at that curry, how nice it looks. All that good stuff in there. And I'll add the fish. This is the fish here.
Here's our Gilbaka all seasoned.
And I'll put in your favorite part.
Yep,
the
the
tail.
tail. I love tail and heads.
Yep, my favorite part here. Another one of your favorite part.
Yeah,
And this is my favorite part.
yummy.
You can have that one here. I'll have this one. One for you. One for me. Right?
Yeah,
One for you.
it's a
One
lot
for
of
me.
fish.
And what's your other favorite part here too? Another one.
They're all my favorite parts. But my favorite part on any fish is the head of the fish.
The head and the gill and stuff.
Yeah, the whole, I just love it.
Oh.
So we're gonna let soak the fish up in the
Batter.
batter, and we're gonna let that cook up. We're gonna then add what, like
Some other seasoning.
some other like okra and green mangoes.
Salt,
Then add
pepper,
that,
black pepper.
salt, pepper, some more water for it to boil. But we'll show you how it is as we go on.
It looks really, really good. So we're gonna let this cook for at least another 5 to 10 minutes.
And we shall be
Be
back. So we're gonna check out this Gilbaka curry, see how it's coming along, and it's coming along
Pretty good.
pretty good. Gonna just turn it over.
I'll turn over your tail here.
Yeah.
And I'll turn this one over too. Your favorite part,
Yeah.
my favorite part here.
Oh man, I cannot wait to have some of this with some nice brown rice and or roti.
Yeah. Some people fry their fish before they cook it. You can. I choose not to fry it. And I'll put in some green mango. I love green mango. And some people throw away the seed. I'm gonna spice it up a little bit with the seed right there.
Yeah. Because I love it.
I'll add a little bit more water in here and let this fish cook.
Yeah, the mango has to steam as well.
Yeah.
But
And
anyway, guys,
mango
it's
is
looking
giving
good.
it a nice flavor, right?
These mangoes are like green mangoes we bought, and we you know, peeled it and cut it up and froze it.
And I'll put in some more water inside. And
nice. And sometimes we do put in like you can put edibles or potatoes, but we're choosing not to put those in today. So but it's all optional. You can do whatever you like. But make sure you put some tomatoes in there because it's an absolute. You must put tomatoes.
I'll put in some black pepper. Some pepper flakes. And some cloves.
Just a couple.
Yeah,
Flavor
just
it
a
up.
few in here. You don't have to put it, but I like it. And some thyme, a little bit more. This is a fine leaf crush thyme. And some basil. Dry basil. Known as Mardman.
Mardman poke. I wonder where they got that Mardman poke stuff.
I'm not sure. So I'll just put it in here.
Yummy. Alright, we'll let that cook and we shall be back momentarily. Alright guys, we're back. Got this bad boy. We're gonna add some okras.
This is a long velvety okra. It have a nice skin on it.
So I'm gonna steam that. We love okra in our fish curry.
Mm.
Not a big fan of Saijan. Is what it's called.
Yeah, or
Saijan.
merengue.
Merengue.
Something like that, yeah.
Yeah, but,
Like the merengue dance.
okay.
I'm not sure what Americans call it, but you know what? Americans don't have Saijan,
Yeah.
or they don't know about it. And I'll put some salt in here. And I'll try for these guys to go down at the bottom so it can steam up in there. The okra. I think it will find its place while it's bubbling up.
We just need a little bit of water to steam. Yep.
Yeah. And we're gonna put in one of these in here for now, and then we got two more we're gonna put in later on.
Yummy. Okay, we'll be back.
So guys, we just opened the cover there, and I think it's done. Looks done. You can see that mango start melting up a little bit.
Certainly.
What I do sometimes, I melt one of the mango up, so
But
it
it's
can
already melted.
flavor that food a little.
Yeah.
You know, give it that flavor.
Soury taste.
A soury taste.
So we tasted this for salt, and you know it has perfect amount of salt. We're gonna just add some peppers now, just to steam.
More pepper.
More pepper. More pepper, more better.
And guys, we also cooking bora. We'll post that video with the shrimps and potatoes. So look out for that too.
Guys, this curry tastes amazing. I tasted it for salt. Tastes amazing.
Tastes good.
Yeah.
So
Thank you for watching. We're gonna turn this off, let it cool down, and it'll be ready for serving. But thank you guys for checking our channel out, Cooking with Vish, Cooking and Traveling with Vish and Nalini. Let us know what you think of our Gilbaka curry. Leave a comment. Let us know how you make your Gilbaka curry, what you put in it.
if you didn't subscribe to the channel,
Yeah.
please consider
Subscribing.
Yeah. Or go ahead and subscribe. Hit that notification bell.
Yeah.
It will help.
Yeah.
Thank you guys so much. Peace out. One love.